up, everybody? How's it going today? Today we're playing debauchery with the butter. The buttery. And time to get all buttered up. Buttercups. This is supposed to be a spooky horror.
Like a big thunderstorm is forming over that region and will continue to move south until next Tuesday.
What's up, Moisture Echo?
In other news, there are now 17 missing persons cases filed with disappearances traced to the Cottonwood Mountains region.
That sounds like
On the line with us
Moisture
now,
Echo.
we have Susan Fiddlesworth, who's reported her husband missing. Hello, Susan.
Hi, this is Ruby. My mom is out getting her nails done.
Will you tell her, wish her well in finding her husband, why don't you, Ruby? Up next is some smooth jazz.
Chubby Baby 7 presents. I'm jamming out to this music. What is that? Ew, what is that? He's all caked up and everything. Hi. Yow. He hurt me.
So tough. What did you feed it?
Those hitchhikers from last week.
Well, looky here. Finally awake. I was beginning to think you were dead.
I'm dead.
Welcome to Cottonwood Farm.
No.
I'm
Look
Jackson.
at this one's face.
Jackass. What do you mean?
William!
Oh, that's ugly.
What they say about showing some respect when we have guests?
You're acting like a damn fool, Jackson.
No.
You were brought here tonight for a special reason. The Lord wants us to show everyone our gift, and we cannot disappoint the Lord.
This Lil Piggy was very naughty, getting loose and scaring you out there on the road. But don't worry, he's getting a brand new home.
Pig. It's Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Why are you not, your arms aren't even attached to your body? He's sniffing me. Oh, he's gone.
Well, I've got a pig to catch.
What were you gonna do? You gonna throw it at me? It's locked, okay. So this is very important. Okay, that's how you open your inventory. Shoves hand in cutely. Skiada. My god, my Skiada. Okay, there's more spiders in there now. Okay, so I don't think that's what you're supposed to do. Those tools look useful. Too bad they don't have an interact button. That's rage baiting me. Ew, dead mouse. Oh, get this freaking down. And put this in. Oh, that opens that. Okay. Seems like something is missing from here. Like what? What could be missing? Get statue, what? Hey, what am I reaching the toilet for? What? How did I pull a cat out of the toilet? What? I'm trying. What do we do with this? What do we do with that? Can he come in here? Looking like that, lost myself in here. Open! The cat goes in the plant on this side. And the bird goes there. Oh, horse back there. Don't come in here. Ooh. Can Horsey go here? Okay, Horsey, you go there. Let me open here. On my main way. Did we get a gun? Don't think I need that anymore. This part is, oh, there's more points here. First aid. There's a lot of stuff I'm getting here. Which probably, I'm guessing, will ever need for something. Later on, which means, do I get a gun? Something to cut the chain. It sounds like Minecraft music. Ooh, pizza, can I have some? I don't want to still eat that. There has to be a gun. I'm getting so much ammo. Not bothered to read all that. There's a cow. Moo moo. Moo moo. Do I go in the same room as the cow? No way. I could have gone. No more ammo. No, open that. Damn, now I'm set. I'm gonna give you a paper clip. Maybe I should heal up. And now we can see better. Kaboom.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cottonwood Farm Rodeo. You're in for a little treat tonight, folks, because this is your attraction. This Mickey is filled with unquenchable thirst for human blood. Yeah, I didn't think so.
Did I? Oh shoot, dang it. Oh, dang it. Maybe I need like... Tomato soup costs 3 coins. Chicken soup or tomato soup? Chat, which should we go for? Chicken soup it is. Chicken soup. Equip chicken soup. Chicken soup over that. There we go. Perfect. Look at my chicken. Oh, it's so small. You're still in there, aren't you? Why am I right? Oh my god. Okay. I could have used one of those. Guess no more piggy. Don't see an L for you guys. What do I even do that for? Is there like anything else in here? Oh yeah, I took like a key or something. Yeah, I did. Laundry key. It's the key for this door.
I'm sorry, dude. I thought you were one of the brothers for a second there. Dude, you have no idea how good it feels to see another person's face who's not trying to kill me. Listen, I'm in the same situation as you right now, dude. And we don't have a lot of time.
Haha, I'm bathing.
There, the garden. That's our best way out of here. They've like chained off the whole porch, but there's a door over there. I saw the brothers with the key not too long ago.
Well, I'd say the pig was a big success. You really should trust my ideas more often.
You weren't the one that had to catch it.
Did you find that other guy? The dumb one with the baseball cap?
He got away.
I'm the one with the baseball
I noticed the
cap.
garage is open, so they've gotten this far. But don't worry,
Oh, he's bending over.
he'll turn up eventually.
Oh, don't wave at me with that. With that evil look in your eye. Hi. Wasn't there like... Yeah, there's this over here. There's both over here. Yippee. Now we don't need this key, so I can just drop out my map just in case I need that. Oh, need that. I'm not reading all that. Who has those dogs out? You're alive. You are alive. Die. You almost made me run out of ammo, little bro. This is shotgun, okay. Shotgun shots, we get shotgun. I got shotgun. You better not come back to life. That better be the only one. No. I'm not close enough to skills, I can kill you. Dexter Morgan. Now that we're not there here. Took a nibble on me. No, man. He took a nibble on me. Oh my god. Nibbled on my shoulder. My shoulder. Did that help? Do I still have like the walking down? Yeah, I did. That actually helped me a lot, actually. Oh yeah, we have like coins. Let's buy some handgun ammo. Just in case, because I think they're still alive. Headshot. That was like 3 headshots in a row. You guys saw that. You saw that. Good, you're still dead. That's thank God. I don't know if I could kill you or not. What time does this thing say? 2:35. I'm going to try to remember what that was. That's 2, but like how do I get to 35? Like off it tomorrow, I think. Ain't that is good enough? Spider key. Spider key. Spider key. It's so cool, it's a spider key. Can it swing? No, it can't. That's because it's a stupid key. Look out, it's a spider key. Poor little guy. Green dogs? What the fuck? Shoo! If the green dogs, we're going to eat them. I don't know what that could be. There we go, we ate the green thing. I will come back, but the more butter to save, the better. Cause like there could be like a boss or something. What if it's like the deer from 99 Nights in the Forest and this? Thank God you guys did it. Where'd he go? Let's fight this green thing. Bro, I was dying for like before he's dead. Okay, look, this guy is a perfect example of why you need to take a bullet. Yeah, the yellow one. Bro, how much pain do you have? How many times do I have to die to kill you? Well, can you not eat that little area? I don't know you can. Hey Mom, you might not be able to, okay? I might just shoot you. Yeah, this doesn't take a nice damage. But baby, I'm just like the worst at this game. Maybe that was why there's also like deductible. Maybe I should have used that. That opens that, but then what? Is it like on a timer or something? Okay, so it is. Okay. Tight squeeze. Oh, my butt cheeks should change now.
Oh, thank God, this thing works! Dude, the brothers trapped me in the basement, man! I managed to get away, but dude, there's something down here with me. And dude, I think it has the key. You gotta help me, dude, and quick! I don't know how much longer I can... Wait! Dude! We can talk about this!
Baseball cap guy, no. No, I should have listened to my mother. I should have practiced. Nah, I didn't. How much money do you have? See, let's buy the shotgun shells. Even though we don't have it. No, Let's power the hero. Fuck, it's on the wrong thing. But okay. Oh, there's a healing here, yeah. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Stabby stab before you come back to life, mister. Probably... Oh, so the key isn't there. We have to plug something in there. Okay. But where is that something? That's what I need to know. That's the favorite thing. More shotgun ammo. Oh. Well, I thought that piece of wood just scared me. He's gonna go and spin around. Move out of my way. shove your dog off. What am I meant to do? But like the fridge is locked with chains. Unless I can get back this. Oh wait, I can. Wait. Wasn't he using a camera before? The guy with the baseball cap. Was he down here? Did the two boys jump him down here? Oh, there you are.
Dude, we gotta stop meeting each other like this.
Yeah.
Something's walking around down here, man. And I only just managed to give him the slip.
Nice
Oh, and dude, I saw it. They've got the key to the garden down here.
Yeah.
I didn't see where they hid it, and I don't think I can find it. Especially not with one hand. But you can, man.
Haha.
Dude, promise me that even if I don't get out of here, you'll make them both pay for what they've done, man.
Nah.
You promise?
No.
Okay. Now let's go get that key.
What the frick is it? I'm just gonna walk right past you. No. This. Anything else in here? No. Poor guy, I'll make them pay, dude. Dude, what's up, guys? How's it going, dude? We are getting killed by this thing. Is that a horse or a donkey or what? Now I have this anyway. So guess what, broski? I'm going to the fridge now. Broski, guys, what's in here? Can't tire myself. Keep fucking. I would have gotten that green small mush if I had inventory. It's your fault, horsey. Okay, let me go check my inventory and see what I can get rid of. How about this? We like equip this and some knives. I don't think the horse can be hurt since there's only one. Well, I said that about the pig, and we didn't have any weapons for the pig. No, we did. How do I use it? Haha. No, boo-boo. Does that need this for like this? Oh, I thought that was I know you can die anyway. I'm presuming 4 in here. Open, pass, open, open. Now I can actually have a proper look in here since he's not here. I can open that now. Wait, now we have the car battery. So, like, we have... So actually, wait. Might regenerate my health by killing myself. That's why I had the free run to the door. No, go in there, go out there, go out there. Get out, get out, get out. Get out. Swear to God, if you're still doing that. Oh, he's gonna hear that. He's gonna hear that. This goes to this door, right? No, wait. Inventory full. Freaking hell. Let me just go collect everything but that first. Bro, do we need to get rid of our can? Oh, wait, there's a key here for what? Laundry. Now we can take it. Fuck yeah. Bro won't stand a chance now. Do it with guns now. Or bullets, okay. Why would I need to come back? Oh, wait for the exit point. Ah, now I can get rid of that key, can't I? Now is the time to blow the horse's head off. Oh, horsey, it's horsey season. Frick you, horsey. I'm doing this American style. Take these balls. Eat legs. Eat my ass. I'm dead. Garden key, yes, thank you, horsey. Beating a dead horse. Wait, you were already dead. I just killed something that was undead. Before I go, I'm gonna use my chicken. Oh yeah. What do you even do? What does it even do? It doesn't even heal me. What, does that make me fat? The entire time I had to get sprint boost and inventory. Let's just drink all of them. And there we go. I'ma blow your head straight off. Actually, since we're talking Jesus. Oh, that's slot 3. Yeah, but this is slot 2. And then, it still has the hand on it. And I popped my tires before I leave. The campfire one, the consume the cargo. I still have my shotgun. It has no bullets left on them. The butchery. So, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.